Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Chase.com account on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Chase app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, at the bottom right of the screen, tap the More option. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. In the Settings, tap Account. This is where you can manage your personal information and account option. Scroll down to the button of the account. Scroll down to the bottom of the account page. Tap delete account. A message will appear explaining that deleting your account is permanent. Tap continue or delete to proceed. Now you may be asked to enter your password for security reasons. Follow the on-screen instruction to confirm. Once confirmed, your Chase.com account will be permanently deleted. After deleting, you won't be able to log in again and all your games and chats will be lost. If you change your mind later, you will need to create a new account. And that's it. Now you know how to delete your Chase.com account using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.